Hydraulic fluid used in aircraft is a critical component of the hydraulic system, which is responsible for operating various flight control surfaces, landing gear, brakes, and other essential aircraft systems. The hydraulic fluid used in aircraft must meet specific properties and specifications to ensure safe and reliable operation. Here are some important properties and specifications of hydraulic fluid used in aircraft. Viscosity. Hydraulic fluid needs to have a specific viscosity range to ensure proper lubrication and flow within the hydraulic system. The viscosity is typically measured in center-Stokes (CST), and the appropriate viscosity grade depends on the specific aircraft and system requirements. Fire resistance. Hydraulic fluid used in aircraft must possess a high level of fire resistance to minimize the risk of combustion in the event of a leak or hydraulic system failure. Fire-resistant hydraulic fluids are categorized into different types, such as Type 4 and Type 5 fluids, based on their fire-resistant properties. Temperature range. The hydraulic fluid should be capable of operating within a wide temperature range without losing its effectiveness. It must maintain its viscosity and lubrication properties in both extreme cold and hot conditions commonly encountered during aircraft operations. Corrosion and oxidation resistance. The hydraulic fluid should have excellent resistance to corrosion and oxidation to protect the hydraulic system's components. This helps prevent damage to the system and maintains its reliability over time. Compatibility. Hydraulic fluid must be compatible with the materials used in the hydraulic system, including seals, hoses, and valves. Incompatible fluids can cause degradation, swelling, or leakage, leading to system malfunctions. Fluid contamination control. The hydraulic fluid must have good filtration characteristics to remove contaminants and prevent them from circulating within the system. Clean hydraulic fluid reduces wear on system components and maintains system performance. Hydraulic fluid identification. The hydraulic fluid should have proper identification markings and labels, allowing maintenance personnel to differentiate between different types of fluids and ensure the correct fluid is used during servicing or maintenance. It's worth noting that there are various hydraulic fluid formulations used in aircraft, such as phosphate ester-based fluids, e.g., Skydrol, and hydrocarbon-based fluids, e.g., MIL-PRF 5606 or MIL-PRF 83282. The specific properties and specifications may vary depending on the type of hydraulic fluid used and the aircraft's requirements. Therefore, it's crucial to refer to the aircraft manufacturer's documentation and follow the prescribed hydraulic fluid specifications for each aircraft model.